Good morning. Let's see. It might just be hard for me to see because I've got so much natural light because of the snow. I wish I could call it a snow day for you all today. So a question that I've had from a couple of you that I want to address first thing this morning is some of you aren't able to find your other assignments. So you'll work through a couple of assignments and you'll do that by you've signed in. Over here on the left-hand side, you see that there are assignments. By the way, that only happens if you've signed in and you've let me know and I've added you to the class. So at this point, there are still a couple of you who haven't joined in yet. That means you're a week behind on your assignments. So make sure that when you do sign in at this point, you need to send me a text or an email because otherwise I won't know and you'll just be sitting there clicking around, probably doing a bunch of work that you won't receive credit for. So make sure that you text or email me to let me know that you've signed up because you're late. And then when I okay you or accept you as a student, you'll have these assignments over here on the left-hand side. Some of you have had difficulty then finding your other assignments, and I'm not sure if that's maybe you're working on a phone, so it's a different schematic. You know how it shows differently on a phone than it does on a screen? Because for me, this is my student account that I created so that I could see what you're seeing. You have your different classes over here, so most of you would have like an English class and a math class. And so right over here, you would choose whichever one you want. And you'll see that that changes your assignments here by clicking on the word assignment underneath your class. That's how you get the assignments for that class. So if you were in 11th and 12th grade, then you would click here on assignments over here on the left-hand side. You would scroll down, and then after you had finished all of these, you would click next, and that's going to get you to the next group of assignments. So I think that's the only thing that might be happening is that maybe you're working on a phone or you're working on some different sort of device that's showing a different setup, because this setup is true for this laptop and my Chromebook. I guess I could try it on my iPad. So I'll do that in just a minute. If I find that it looks different on an iPad, I'll put up another video to show you what you need to do to see those other assignments. But it might just be something simple that when you look to the left, you just thought it said that you had assignments. So you actually can click on the word assignments, even though it's not blue. That might have been a good idea for them to show that it's a hyperlink. I didn't. These are already done, so they don't have anything there. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions today, feel free to email me or text me. And please, I know that there are a bunch of, crazy things on the internet. No, we don't know what's going to happen, but yes, I am still planning until I hear other words from my dad, your founder, or Pastor Dan, your principal. Then yes, I am still planning to go back on April 6th, unless of course the governor says otherwise. And at that time, then our administration will make a statement and they'll let you know what's happening. But otherwise, don't let all of the other fears and what ifs that are posted all over the internet be your guide. That would just be so foolish. Wait until you hear from the right authority, and then they'll definitely communicate to you. So you do need to do your work. All of these assignments that I'm giving you, I am counting for your grade, and I am counting for your hours, and I am counting for your education. So you do your part and I'll do my part. I'm here ready to answer your questions. The assignments that I've given you, some of you, everyone works at different paces. Some of you have actually already completed 2 weeks worth of assignments. And that's because you work more quickly than your classmates, that's okay. Some of you are just barely starting. Even though you've logged tons of time in, you're not getting your assignments done. You've got to get your assignments done. My goal in creating these assignments was that each class should be able to do 25 minutes, which is half of a normal school hour, 25 minutes each of our school days, which was all of last week and all of this week. Obviously not for spring break. But if you didn't do your time that was required, then you might still be working on during spring break. You have to get your time done. You have to get your assignments done. So make sure you're working diligently. And if that causes concern for you or questions, just send me an email or a text or even a call. But I hope that you're having a great week. I hope you're staying healthy. My heart aches for the people who are dealing with this sickness and for the businesses that are losing business due to all of the hysterics that have happened because of it. But, you know, I am loving this time home with my kids, like loving it. We've painted our stairwell and we are building a chicken coop, and I hope to be getting some material delivered soon so I can start sewing. So I'm loving this time. And I hope that you're making the best of it. I know that it's not ideal, and I know that it's frustrating for everyone, but remember, it's never the crisis that's important. It's how we respond to the crisis. So hope you're doing great. I miss you. I do, which I'm glad for that. I'm glad that I actually do miss being in 402 with you. And I hope you're doing very well. Please remember, you can send me any prayer request or just a hello, whatever you need, to my email, and I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.